Haryana-based Amirchand Jagdish Kumar Exports, the company behind the popular aeroplane brand of basmati rice, is preparing to raise funds from the capital market through an initial public offering. The company filed draft documents with the Securities and Exchange Board of India on 27th June. The IPO will be a fresh issue of shares worth 550 crore rupees. Out of this, 500 crore rupees will be used for working capital needs like buying raw materials, packaging, and operating costs. The remaining 50 crore rupees will be spent on general corporate purpose. The company is also open to raising 50 crore rupees through a pre-IPO placement. If this amount is raised before the IPO, the size of the IPO will be reduced by the same amount. Amirchand Jagdish Kumar is currently the third largest basmati rice company in India in terms of revenue among all listed companies. It ranks behind only LT Foods and KRBL. Other key competitors in the market include Chaman Lal Sethia Exports, GRM Overseas, and Sarveshwar Foods. The company has three large manufacturing, processing, and packaging plants located in Punjab, Haryana, and New Delhi. Over the years, it has built strong brand protections, having registered 100 trademarks, 70 in India and 30 across 26 countries, and 22 copyrights. These countries are mainly in Europe, Asia and Africa, showing the company's global reach in the rice export market. On the financial side, the company has shown a strong performance. In the financial year 2023-24, it posted a profit of 30.4 crore rupees, which is a 73.8% increase compared to the previous year. Its revenue also went up by 17.8% to 1,549.5 crore rupees. For the 9-month period ending in December 2024 alone, the company earned a profit of 48.8 crore rupees on a revenue of 1,421.3 crore rupees, which shows rapid growth. A large part, about 99% of its income, comes from selling basmati rice. To manage the IPO process, the company has appointed two merchant bankers, Emkay Global Financial Services and Keynote Financial Services.